What's up, guys? Me and Owen are back with another unboxing video.
Yes, and with everything.
You're wondering why we have so many new toys.
Yeah.
Because we just completed our Near West Recreation or Near West Rec.
And
baseball season, and we put in a raffle. I chose the Cleveland Guardians tickets. We got 6 tickets for all of us, and I'm gonna invite 2 of my friends.
Yeah.
And Owen won the giant fun bag.
Yeah.
Honestly, I didn't know I would win the tickets, but here we are. We're gonna be playing with slime today, and we're gonna be playing with Nickelodeon Super Egg-tastic Fun.
And this too.
Yeah. If you dig deep enough in it, it makes like a fart noise.
It was so.
Now let's open it. Yeah.
Yeah, let's open it. And this video was thousand subscribers chances. And it's this. I'll open the expo, okay? Okay. Let me open it.
Okay, so I got this open, and Owen is gonna open these little eggs.
And so viewers, you can.
Okay. I think
Everyone, be quiet. This is a video.
Okay.
Here's one.
Fab foam. Neon blue. Ooh.
Yeah. And this is a glitter one.
Ooh, a glittery one.
And these are never glittery. And
It's hard. Can you open it for me, Mom? And we'll be back in 1 second, guys. So all our eggs are cut open.
with Mom. With her
Yeah.
Mom.
Who was helping to work behind the scenes.
Yeah, it was our mom.
And let's check what's inside these eggs.
And this.
Owen opened a glittery one, and look at all the slime.
Yeah.
Slimy.
Slimy. Like SpongeBob.
SpongeBob ain't slimy.
I mean Gary.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Gary. This is. We were talking about SpongeBob, which is on Nickelodeon.
Yeah.
We were talking about Gary. He's a like a pet cat because he meows, like meow.
No.
He's a snail.
Yeah, a sea snail. Yeah. Oh no! Slime, too sticky. No.
Slime too sticky.
Ugh.
I'm gonna
If
open
I
a green egg. Okay, Bo?
Okay.
After I get all this trash off. Bo, can you help me get his trash off? I'm trying to get his trash off.
Oh, move, Owen, move here. Please.
Oh, wait, I got it. Aha, Bo, I have a great idea.
What?
Wash hands.
Well, yeah, after we do this. Grr. In the meantime, let's open another one, and it's also filled with
slime.
orange slime.
And this?
It feels hard. Weird. We're gonna mix it together soon, and we get clay. Margarite.
And can you get its clay out?
There we go. It's so sticky clay. Ooh.
So sticky clay.
And thank you, Neros Rec,
Yeah.
for giving this to us. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
If
And
you
our
want
dad
to
gave us to us.
Yeah. So sticky. Come on, come on.
Do you mind me to open it? Oh, it does.
Ooh. Grr. More slime.
Yeah. And in this Easter egg, inside.
What's in this one?
What's in this
Oh,
one?
more purple slime. Oh no.
And what's in this?
But it's also hard.
More gloopy slime.
Yeah.
Hey, we can
More
all.
green slime. Woo.
Yeah,
It's so sticky.
it's like Von Nikki. Right, Bill?
Yeah. If you don't remember our vlog Nikki video, thank you all for watching that.
And
That really filled our hearts. So yeah, so many.
and we also brought a yoo-hoo.
Yeah, we went fishing today, and he apparently likes yoo-hoo for some reason.
Because I love it. Because it's so soft.
And there's more slime. Oh, and it's also sticky. Oh no.
And we're
Ooh, this one's glittery. Ooh.
yeah. And today's
Yep.
episode
Yep.
is
Yep.
a slime thing.
Slime off. Yeah.
I know. I connect.
Yep.
Hey, we also made a slime course, right?
Right. Yeah. So much slime. Oh no.
That one green and purple mixed together. What does it make, Bo?
I don't know. Oh, put that in the slime pile. Put it in the slime pile right here.
Hey, Bo.
Yeah. It's in the slime pile.
How's it? Hey, Bo. I
What?
have a great idea. We can mix it up, and when it makes up, it will make into a giant void terminal.
Yeah, he likes Kirby Star Allies
Yeah, and
final
void-
boss.
Yeah, void terminal. Oh no, it's stick together.
Oh no.
It's all sticking together. Look at his bow. It's 4. Ah, it's falling down. Ah.
So sticky. It's a little too sticky.
Whoa. Glurper slime. This is a slimer.
It's the slimiest slime we've ever seen.
Yeah, it's a slime monster.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, more slime. Put that in the slime pile.
Oh no, it's sticking everything together. Woo! I'm a ghost monster.
Oh no, get away. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Well, can I mix?
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't see the slime pile. Well, hey, Bo, can you get all the slime out? Please?
Oh no.
It's
stuck to my hairs. Ow.
Hey, Bo, can you get us off?
I'll try to.
Wow. Sloopy.
Did we open this one? Nope, but it's full of this.
What's that?
Yeah.
Slurps. Smurfs.
Blue slime everywhere.
Yeah. Big slime. Roar.
He's taking all the slime and turning it to a giant slime monster. Blarg. I shall take all your slime. Blarg. Slime. 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 Yeah. Oh, shoot.
What?
It was paused the whole time.
What was paused?
The whole thing.
What
You unpaused it, right?